It's been 2 days since a massive tornado just ripped apart the city of St. Louis and especially the city of Clayton. According to the National Weather Services, the massive tornado of EF3 category touched down in Clayton on Friday afternoon at 2:45 p.m. and it just ripped apart this entire community. It's been 2 days since the massive destruction has happened, and today on Sunday afternoon I'm going to show you the scale of massive destruction here in St. Louis, especially in the Clayton area. As you can see in this video, around thousands of trees have been uprooted totally in the city of Clayton, and what we are given to understand by the National Weather Services is that the width of this tornado was about a mile long, and the stretch it covered, it's about 8 miles. So this is Wydown Road in Clayton, and you can see on both the sides the destruction here is absolutely on a massive scale. This road has been shut down for vehicular movement since Friday. Only the local residents can use this road. A lot of houses have been damaged, and huge cranes from the St. Louis city are operating here. As you can see in this video, a massive tree has fallen on on this house. The destruction happened along the 8-mile stretch the tornado covered on Friday afternoon. What we are given to understand by the local state administration is 5 people have been confirmed dead, and over 30 people have been injured on Friday. They are still trying to assess the magnitude of damage this tornado has caused here in the city of Clayton and in the city of St. Louis. And this particular tornado, what people, local residents are telling is they haven't seen this massive scale tornado over the last 50 or 60 years. So to share my experience, the sirens went on at about 2:40, and they were so loud. I was sitting on my desk working, and I popped outside of the window, and I could see a green sky out there, and suddenly the wind started blowing. I went out of the house, just stepped out for 10 seconds, but could barely stand in front of the gusty winds. And it suddenly stopped after a minute of two, and the sky became clear and the sun came out. So but these 2 minutes were horrifying.